The machine that recreates the Big Bang.
The Large Hadron Collider at CERN stands as humanity's most ambitious scientific instrument. A 27-kilometer ring of superconducting magnets buried 175 meters beneath the France-Switzerland border near Geneva. Built between 1998 and 2008 through collaboration with over 10,000 scientists from hundreds of universities across more than 100 countries, the LHC represents the pinnacle of human engineering achievement. This massive machine accelerates protons to 99.9999991% of light speed, creating collision energies of up to 13 tera-electron-volts, conditions that haven't existed in our corner of the universe since moments after the Big Bang. The LHC's primary mission involves exploring fundamental physics through these extreme energy collisions, most famously leading to the discovery of the Higgs boson in 2012, which confirmed how particles acquire mass. The collider features 4 main crossing points where accelerated particles collide, surrounded by massive detectors like ATLAS and CMS that track the spray of particles created in these violent encounters. These detectors, built like giant three-dimensional cameras made of millions of sensors, can capture the fleeting signatures of exotic particles that exist for mere fractions of a second.